Here's a beautiful newly built home in the master plan community of Alamar in Avondale, Arizona. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath also has a home office and allows you to save on electricity with energy-saving solar panels. Enjoy your tour. Living in this community provides you access to many recreational activities in the shadows of the Sierra Estrella Mountains. This master plan development stretches over 1,000 acres and includes several parks and walking trails, a community pool, basketball courts, a lake for fishing, shaded barbecue areas, and more. Click the link to schedule a tour or submit an application. Thanks for watching.